Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa or in other terms an e-tourist visa or visitor visa to travel to Jordan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So, guys, e-visas are becoming very popular, and because they just don't provide convenience to the applicants, but it is also good for the government because they get information online and they can process and let applicants know if they have been granted or refused. So it's good that Jordan also has this facility. So in front of you, I have opened Ministry of Interior website of Jordan, and under Visa E applications, you have various categories. So suppose you want to visit Jordan, you have like the first link that you see. For other purposes, you have various other links. So I click here. Okay. So here you can see you have various kinds of links that you can do. I mean, applications that you can do. So if I go for electronic visas, let's say you're applying as an individual. Let's say you are, I mean, you need to select category. So let's say you are an Indian national who want to visit Jordan. So you fall under non-Arabic. Let's say, as I said, let's say you are an Indian national. You need to fill as per your case. It is asking if you have a Schengen visa or a visa for any of these countries, USA, UK, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Australia, any European country. If you have, put yes. If you don't have, put no. In which country you are living, residence country, I select India. From which country you will be arriving, I select India. Then click on next. So now it is showing that these are the visas you can apply. So as I said, like we are going for visit visa, click on this. So it is telling you like what are the criteria, required documents, general instruction and processing time. For 5 working days for urgent, for normal 14 working days. So it's not a very like immediately kind of visa. And fees also given like for short trips 2 months, 40 Jordanian currency. For for two entries 3 months, 60. And then you can see that other criteria. Payment. Okay. So you have all the information here, and you can apply. You can click on apply here. It is asking you to log in. So when you log in for the first time, you don't have the account, simply click on create new account. I click on it. It is asking the registration type, so I select individual. Okay. So a lot of information they are already picking up from you. Okay. And then you're gonna submit. So I'm gonna submit this. I'm gonna create an account, then I'll meet you back. Okay. So what happens is like after you are done with the profile creation, at the end it sends a verification code to your email account. You need to get that code, put it here, and then your account is activated and you can log in. So this is the main menu where we'll go with the visa applications. It is asking like we have gone through the wizard first, so we know, but you can always check it here. So we are going for visitor visa. We click on it. And if you want to verify, you can just click on this link. So we selected the applicant is from India, so it does require. And you have a link to create application. Once you click on this, it's gonna create an application. Okay. Some information it has already picked up from the profile. He's applying for own, so I clicked on application. So it's asking if you have visited Jordan before. So this is the first time, so I select no. Owner application type, I select new. Country of submission, I select India. Visa period, so I select 2 months single entries, urgent no. And as you remember, I had showed you the fee, which embassy preferred, so I select India. Visa reason, so I select visit. You have the button for next and you can always save it for later. So I click on next. Okay. Lot of information it has picked up from the account that was created. Some fields I left because they were not mandatory, but if you are filling up, why to hide it? Education degree, whatever is applicable in your case. I'm just putting sample. It's asking if you have any Schengen visa for uh, countries. I select no. Schengen visa or visa for these countries. That will help you. They have given the format in that unit. And for your passport details, verify the details. Because I see a lot of people do mistakes and then they struggle a lot. So, and then I click on next. Okay. So now it is asking to upload the documents in next one. In the next page, you will be asked to review the application, pay the fee, and then from there, the processing will begin. And once e-visa is granted, you can take that and come to Jordan. So, and they will provide you further instructions as well, like what you got to do. So, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.